Where are we?
At the Hot Wheels at Monster Jam. And
Let's have a look at you. Look at that. DD, where are we?
Road Shaker.
We're at Monster Jam.
Yeah.
Let me see your driver's license. Wow, Jessie, where are we?
Monster Jam.
Let me see your driver's license, please, sir. Okay, you're allowed in.
Monster Jam! Before we get into that, I want to introduce someone right here. Make some noise for Alex Holcomb!
So kind. Now before we go any further, it's only nice, isn't it, to do it back. Make some noise for my favourite co-host, it's Alex Baker, everyone!
Woo! Hello everyone, it's lovely to be in your wonderful city of Hot Wheels Monster Truck Glow and Fine. Now what we're going to do right now, the big show is coming in about half an hour's time. But first, what we're going to do is take you down the road to the Champions Cup. We're going to meet some of the drivers. We're going to have a good time, have a few chats. It's all right.
It's all right. Indeed, Alex, where should we go first?
So I think we should go this way, come with. We're heading across the arena floor, and what an arena floor it is. Boy, oh boy, have we been getting our steps away. Don't even look at the step count. I don't know how I feel about it, but come this way. This guy is brand new to the tour this year. It's Dylan Barnes, the driver of Bone Shaker.
Now, Dylan, so much going on inside that truck, but I want to know what is under the hood.
Underneath the hood of Bone Shaker. Unfair advantage. We have some incredible drivers here putting out some big shows, and we're just out here to do our best today.
Just try your best, Alex, it's all we can do.
I love it, there's such a humble vibe going on here. Will he bring the heat? I'm sure he will. One more time. Mark Simmons, driver of Hot Wheels 5 Alive! Woo! Strolls off. He's such a pro. Do you know what? I just accidentally bumped into this tyre, which is not a good thing to do when you're wearing a fully white suit. Not my choice, not the most flattering of fabrics or fits, but we just don't worry about that. We just continue across the floor. Now don't worry about that in the corner. There's a big blue iconic truck over there, but we'll come back to that a little bit later on in the show. What we're going to do right now is talk to the ruthless Joker, the truck with intimidation at every turn. But also happens to be a really nice dude. It's Darren Schnell, the driver of Gangster!
Now, Darren, like Alex said, you are the ruthless Joker. Do you think you've got what it takes to take home the Champions Cup?
I really do, and if I don't, I have a really big problem, Alex. That's that big blue Ford in the corner. That's Bigfoot driven by my wife, Rebecca Schnell, and then I don't take home the Champions Cup. I don't only hear about it at the racetrack. I hear about it at the hotel, for breakfast, probably for the next week.
So you've got that added level of pressure, that husband-wife rivalry going on.
Very much so. It's an honor to be able to travel with my family. This is the best job in the world. And it's due to each and every one of you sitting up in the stands. Because of you guys, I get to travel the world with my family, and I get to throw on a helmet and run on cars for a living. It's a pretty cool job.
Such a nice guy. Darren Schnell and Gunster, everyone.
He's right, it is the coolest job in the world. I can't get my head around the fact that this man and all these drivers here literally sit in a truck and drive over crushed cars for a living. It seems so surreal, but I'm so pleased you do it. And boy, does he do it. You'll see Darren Schnell, he's such a nice dude. When he comes out driving, he's like a man possessed. He's like a crazy guy. But we absolutely love it. Now, the competition has been heating up on the tour so far. I mean, it has been neck and neck, every single competition. And this guy, I think he's just moments away from a win. He's always trying to intimidate us during interviews. We'll notice that throughout the show, if he wins anything. Oh, damn! Make some noise for Rick Steffens in the all-new soar.
Now, Rick, like Alex said, you've been so close, yet so far. Do you think you've got it in you to take home the Champions Cup tonight?
I've said it all weekend, I'm just here to have fun. There's some giant drift marks that you'll notice all the way around this building. I get to take a 12,000-pound, 1,800 horsepower fossilized dinosaur on a giant walk.
Very cool, casual things.
So cool, it is what he does, and he's been perfecting his freestyle. Took home the win in freestyle earlier today. Will he be doing it again? It's the competition round that everybody wins, but you need to win more than just freestyle, Rick, if you want to take home the champion. I'm just winding him up. One more time for Rick Steffens. It's Do you know, it's wonderful because they all talk, so he says he's the people's champion. He talks with such humility, and there really is a familiar vibe here at Who's Trucks Live. Everyone gets on so well behind the scenes. There's husband and wife combos and rivalries as well, but it's always such a good time. But when those helmets go on, these guys take it seriously, and one of the fiercest competitors we've seen on the tour so far is standing right here. Make some noise for Kristen Miguez, driver of Mega Red.
You have done some amazing donuts, some amazing driving, just an amazing yourself.
Mega Rex.
Love watching you drive. And I did hear some other drivers say they are absolutely fuming that Mega Rex has come back from extinction. What have you got to say about that?
Well, Mega Rex is here. We're ready to play. This is our last show here in Manchester, so we're gonna have fun tonight. Are you guys ready?
To hear those cheers, and she heard them. It's fueling the energy she needs to put on a great show tonight. One more time for Kristen Miguez, driver of Mega Rex. Always a fan favourite. And this way, my friend, is we're going to go past the Van Stack. This is the Van Stack. We'll talk a little bit more about that later on in the competition and in the pre-show. But yeah, Mega Rex is always a fan favourite, but we've got another fan favourite just behind me over here. And not only that, but my goodness me, Anthony Ritter in Tiger Shark has lifted so many Champions Cups so far in the competition. Is he going to do it again? We will find out. But let's see those shark tooth chomps all around the arena, because here he is. It's Anthony Ritter in Tiger Shark.
Okay, so a shark tooth chomp, that is Anthony's favourite thing, and it makes him do even better in the competition. So Manchester, I need to see your shark tooth chomp. Can you show me? That's more like it, love that. Now, Anthony, Tiger Shark is part sea, part land. What part comes in handy the most?
Oh, you know, I think they both help out a little bit. They're the top predator of the land and the sea, so we're always on top, but I think the land's really nice because that's where we get these cars to come and jump and crush. And we got these little fins here on the side. They might not look like much, but they help us get some big air.
Big air. Up next, he says, you got gumped. It's Darren Snell in Gumpster.
Don't mind us, we're just having a little dance up here. I've just found these guys covered in glow sticks, which we absolutely love. What's your name, sir? Eddie. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Rob. Rob, you guys have come glowing to perfection. I love to see it. Can I have a reminder of that score in my ear, please? The score is 22. 22 then, not enough for that perfect wheelie to knock Christopher Gaze and Mega X off. That was unbelievable before. Alex, who's up next?
Up next, the skeleton truck is in the house. It's Rick Stephens in Skelesaurus.
Ripping off the bumper there as he exited the crush cars. That was an amazing one. I'm back with these guys up here, the glowiest guys in the business. You know the score. On the count of three, say it together. 1, 2, 3. 23 there. A fantastic wheelie, but still not good enough to knock Krista Miguez in Mega X off the top spot. We've got one final truck to go in wheelies. Let's line them up. I was trying to count how many times we went round there, but I completely lost count. It's going round and round and round and round. And an incredible score has come through for Dylan Bart in Bone Shaker. It's such a cool truck and such a cool score. 24 for Bone Shaker as well. This is going to be a fantastic competition. I can feel it in my bones. Alex, who have we got next?
Up next, it's time to smash and roar. It's Kristen Minguez in Mega X.
Manchester, what do we think of that? I think we don't need anybody to tell you the score on this one. I'm going to come to you guys. You're going to get the score right. I can feel it in my bones, right? Here we go. On the count of three. Mega X with a... That was a great voice. I've got to hear that voice again. Let's hear that voice again. 25! Love it, yes! Come on. Kristen Miguez there in Mega X with the perfect 25. She must be feeling dizzy after that. Alex, who's up next?
I feel dizzy just watching it. Up next is the fire truck hero, Mark Simonin in Hot Wheels 5 Alarm.
as well. 23 for Hot Wheels 5 Alarm. 23. Now I'm sat down in the stands with your guys. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Adam. And what's your name? Lovely to meet you guys. Hello there. Now, are you guys having a good time?
Doesn't help.
Amazing. Yeah, that's what we like to hear. Now, I've got something in my pocket here. This is from Smith Toy.
Card in and make sure that you think. Stand up. Oh. Big horror.
Wow. Manchester, what do we think of that? Oh my word. I knew this was going to be
Imagine that's a 25 lap, babe.
This time. The score for Tiger Shark, 25. Another 25. That means
Tiger Shark's gonna win.
Tie between Tiger Shark and Mega Rex in Donuts. So we need to decide a winner. So I think we're going to get you guys to help out. Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a cheer off to decide the winner, the definitive winner of Donuts. Let's start with...
Driving on its own. What's happening? You mean it's a transformer?
Octagon is in the building, but he has failed to transform. And he needs your help. He needs your power. He needs your energy. So this is what we're going to do. Take your phones out of your pockets right now. Turn those torches on and shine that light all around the arena. Shine that light to the power receptors on the side of Octagon. Then on the count of 3, make as much noise as you can to give him the energy he needs. 1, 2, 3, scream!
JJ. He's gonna eat it.
wild version of our song.
And take no baby shot, we love to see it.
Okay, the kids, spectacular job. But I think it's time for the adults.
Dun dun dun.
Not just the pop top and just the block.
It's time for the adults to get up out of those chairs or get those arms in the air as it's about to get really up in here.
Lovely brothers. Solid job.
Articles all around the arena.
They're slowly getting there. Slowly.
I'm sick these adults are now. Come on now, please.
There we go.
No chance, he says. I'm not even going to push it. These adults are...
Up first is Reaper and
First two trucks take to the sky and Skelesaurus leaps into the leading position. Let's get the next trucks ready for long jump. Manchester, what do you think of that last jump? Absolutely unbelievable. Jumping his way into the lead and taking the win. It's Tiger Shark! Oh, there's some booing in the crowd. Who do you think it was? Who do you think he should have won? Bone Shaker. He says Bone Shaker. It is heating up. Bone Shaker and him very, very close there. But I do believe getting confirmation that it was Tiger Shark. Alex, you're with Anthony Ritter. What's going down?
I love a bit of controversy in the arena. Very good, very good. Now, make some noise once again for Anthony Ritter in Tiger Shark! Anthony. I can't believe we are here once again. How do you feel?
Oh, it feels great. You know, Dylan's a good buddy of mine in Bone Shaker. I knew he had the lead, and I was thinking about letting him have it, but then I was thinking to myself, he's got to earn that. I've got to take it. If he wants to win, he's got to earn it. So I'm trying to push him to be a better driver every time I come out here. And thank you guys for coming. Are you guys ready for freestyle?
We are indeed. Now, perfect scores. There's perfect scores all around. Just a guy just as great at monster trucking.
You know, I try my best. I'm not the newest to our team, but I'm still pretty new to the sport. But every time I come out here, I try to do better and better each time. Each one of these drivers pushes me to do better, and I can't thank them enough for that. And being behind the wheel of this truck, thanks to Craig Christensen allowing me the opportunity to do this, it's a dream come true.
Absolutely iconic, I would say. Anthony Ritter in Tiger Shark!
Just amazing. And Alex, I absolutely love that. You're just really good at monster trucking.
Just loving that truck in action.
Let's see the leaderboard, because like another win there for Tiger Shark, but it is all tough. Oh, look at that. I mean, hang on. We just need to take a moment to appreciate that score that we're seeing there from Tiger Shark. 75. There's been 3 rounds. Now, I'm not great at maths, right? But I know that 25 times 3 is 75. So at this point in time, Tiger Shark has got a perfect score. This is actually ridiculous. I've never seen this happen ever before. But Tiger Shark's up there with 75. Who's even next to him? Bone Shaker just behind with 71, but it is all to play for. Everything can and does go wrong in freestyle. It also goes very, very right. And Alex, I believe that's the next competition, right?
That's right, and that's why it's my favourite, because I just love the chaos and the carnage of this next round. Oh yes, we're about to go into freestyle!
We are good to go. It's freestyle time, the final competition round in the road to the Champions Cup. This is where the drivers and trucks can do whatever they want. We're going to see power slides, we're going to see donuts, we're going to see wheelies, and look to the center of the arena there. You'll see that yellow van stack, until now completely untouched in any other round. That is the monster truck launcher. Big air equals big points. There's 25 of them on the line. Who's going to take the lead in freestyle? Alex, who have we got first?
Up first, it's the fire truck hero, Mark Simonin in Hot Wheels 5 Alarm.
short run, but a good score. No, actually, a bit of controversy in the air there. Back and forth at the score. The score's 17 for Bone Shaker. 17 for Bone Shaker. Now, let's just come down here for a second. I'm just going to park myself down here on the steps next to this dude. I see a guy with a flag down here. I'm going to come next to you for 1 second. Oh, it's a long way down here, as massive as me. What's your name, sir? Nice to meet you. Can I have a high five? Woo! There we go. Now, the heat is turning up here in the Hot Wheels kitchen. I'm going to pause it for 1 second because I've got in my pocket another... there, taken to the floor, and the score has come through, and it's another massive score as the competition heats up here in Manchester. A huge 24 for Skelosaurus, 24 for Skelosaurus. Now looking down on the floor, I can see wow, my mind has just been blown by that. What's going on in your head?
Oh, it's just a rush of every emotion. I'm so happy that I can come out and drive these trucks, and I can't be more thankful for Craig and Julie for
letting me come out and drive this truck. We're kind of keeping these trucks together and running. And Mark and Dylan helping us keep these trucks going and pushing me to be better and better every time I come out here. It's just an amazing experience. I want to thank all of you guys for coming. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. And this has been just a ton of fun. I hope you guys had fun too.
Absolutely unbelievable. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah!
Right, let's come with me. So now usually at this point in the competition, what I'll do is recap all the drama that we've seen so far in the competition, and we have seen serious drama. We've seen 3 of the greatest freestyle motocross riders on earth put off some incredible tricks, including the front flip. Then we had wheelies competition in which Tiger Shark took the win. Of course, then there was donuts, it was all to play for. And Tiger Shark took the win. Then it was long jump, and my goodness me, the trucks flew through the sky, but it was Tiger Shark that took the win. So, given that you also won freestyle, I'm not sure that we necessarily need to look at the leaderboard. What do you reckon, Alex?
I don't think we do. I think we all know who the winner is. Okay, Manchester, help me out. On 3, who is the winner? 1, 2, 3, Tiger Shark!
Absolutely unbelievable. Not just a win here in Manchester, but a perfect run. What is happening in your head?
Oh, it's absolutely incredible. I never would have thought that I'd come out here against some of the best trucks and some of the best drivers out here and be able to get a perfect score in every competition. It's unreal. It almost feels like I'm in a dream right now, just waiting to wake up. But I want to thank all you guys for coming out. If it wasn't for you guys spending your money to come watch us play with these trucks, we wouldn't be able to come out here every single time and drive these trucks and just have a blast doing it. So thank you guys. We hope to see you guys again next year.
One more time for your winner of the Champions Cup. It's Anthony Ritter